the batteries for this cuckoo clock had run out of power since 9 months ago, and this is the only time that I had the opportunity to clean it and replace the batteries with a new set. Hi, I'm Glenn of Raynaxis, and today we have a modern cuckoo clock. I had this since last year, and this is the first time that I'm going to show you how it works. The black button on the left is for the reset, and the white button at the right is for the adjustment. The middle holes are for the speaker exhaust, and the knob is for the volume control. Turning the knob counterclockwise decreases the volume output, and turning the knob clockwise will increase the volume output. Let's open the battery compartment and remove the worn out batteries. This modern cuckoo clock uses a Type-C battery. It uses 3 batteries, one for the clock and probably 2 for the cuckoo mechanism. The batteries for the cuckoo clock will run out first within 3 to 4 months, and the battery for the clock will run out of juice after. As you can see, one of the batteries was leaking and has damaged the connector, but we're just going to clean this and remove the rust. I'm going to use a sandpaper to scratch off the oxidized metal. We're going to at least try and remove all the rusted part. And this sandpaper is very effective for that purpose. I'm using a baby wipes product for thoroughly cleaning the terminals before we install the batteries. Okay, now that the batteries are installed, we're going to set this clock to 3:50 in the afternoon. And contrary to what the manual say, that you cannot use your finger to adjust the time, you're actually going to use your finger to move the minute hand and the hour hand. You can download the manual that I have uploaded if you wish to have a copy of your own. Let's press the reset button once. This resets the chime mechanism back to its default setting. If we press the adjust button once, the cuckoo clock will come out 6 times. That means the cuckoo clock is set to 6 o'clock in the morning. It is important to know that the mechanism for the chime control and for the clock movement are separate from each other. The default chime is set to 6 o'clock in the morning the first time you press the adjust button. And to be able to set the chime clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we will need to press the adjust button for each hours in between the 6 a.m. and the 4 p.m. It is important to set the chime function when the minute hand is exactly at the 12 o'clock position. Let's wait for the minute hand to reach the 12 o'clock position. Now that the minute hand is almost at the 12 o'clock position, we can now adjust the chime function. Press the reset button once, and we can now press the adjust button. As I mentioned earlier, pressing the adjust button for the first time will bring out the cuckoo clock to sing 6 times. For each hour in between the 6 a.m. And 4 p.m., we will need to press the adjust button consecutively until we reach the desired time. In my case, it's 4 p.m. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.